Hi everyone. So I wanted to show you guys MobyMax Central. This is a online interactive game that I set for my students, and they can do this in their free time, or sometimes they can do it in um, quiet time, or even for homework. So this right here shows you the recent activities. So I had a student pass the skill round decimals at any place value, and I also have another student that passed. He also passed the skill finding the missing value. One of my students earned a certificate for fact fluency. So this student here did not pass round and subtract decimals in mathematics. So what that shows me that since he didn't pass it, I need to reteach and retest. So here we can go to assign assignments, and all the grade levels. Over here is the skills, is a class, science, social studies, phonics, fundamental, and then you can do all grade levels, or we can do grade level 5, which is the grade that I teach. So this is how you find it assigned. If I go right here, I will see some scores. So this student here completed 1, and then that was his score. These other students haven't completed anything. We can go here to class view, right? Rounding decimals, the average score was 83%. So I know that 83% of, well, my one person that took it knows and understands that material. Here's the settings. So my settings is currently at a pass score of 80%. If they're able to get 80%, then they pass. Anything less than 80%, no. Have my school start times. These are my modulars. I can motivate them with certificates, and then motivate with game for students. So student earns 1 minute of a game for every 5 minutes worked on a lesson that are passed. So that means they get rewarded with some free time to play a game of their choice. Okay, so for short answers, right, show all short answer problems. I can also click here where it says show short answer example to student as feedback, and then, or don't show any short answer problems. I get notifications when skills are failed, passed, assessments are completed, lessons are passed or are completed, things of that nature. Here's some of the modulars. So I have initial placement test for math, right? So I can start students with no placement test or show whether the answer was correct after the student answers the problems. I have the setting where it says play read aloud sound for placement test. So what that means is that during the placement test, it's going to automatically read the question and answers to the student. Sound settings, I can play a loud sound in this modular, or I can take it off. If I know I have a student that has noise sensitivity, then I can take it off. I don't think I have anything for science. Alright, individual student settings. So I can click the student, right? It's going to give you her username, pass. Click here to enable young student login. So what that is, that's for, we use that for K through 2nd since they're younger, and it's going to be more difficult for them to remember usernames and passwords, and then they have to click on specific images. Alright, so here's general. These are the general settings for the student. Here I can assign that student particular modulars, and then if I want to hide any modulars from the student, I can do it that way. So I typically don't put all the modulars out for them at one time, because I don't want them to feel overwhelmed or think that they need to complete everything at one time. Right here is where you see all your notifications. I also get notifications via email. So I have it set up for every Tuesday and Friday to send me notifications. Let me know what student is working, what student hasn't been working, and what student I need to check up on. Alright, so down here is some data. I can see the classroom. I can see the student data, real time. Time summary tells me how much time the student spent. Alright, so this is my MobyMax.